Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many of us. The flu and cold. We'll be discussing everything you need to know about flu and cold symptoms, prevention, and treatment. So, let's jump right in. Flu is a viral infection caused by the influenza virus that affects respiratory system, nose, throat, and lungs. The common cold is also a viral infection that affects your upper respiratory tract, nose and throat. The symptoms of both infections are similar, the difference is severity. Cold symptoms are generally less severe than those associated with the flu and develop gradually. Flu symptoms develop quickly and can range from mild to severe, and may sometimes lead to pneumonia, bronchitis, and ear infections. Let's talk about the symptoms of the flu. It's essential to be able to recognize these signs, as early detection can help you take the right steps. Fever, cough, and sore throat. High fever, dry or productive cough, and a scratchy throat are common indicators. Nasal symptoms. Runny or stuffy nose can accompany the flu. Muscle aches and fatigue. Severe muscle aches and extreme fatigue often set in. Headache and chills. Intense headaches and cold chills are experienced. Preventing the flu. Now, let's move on to prevention strategies. You know what they say. Prevention is better than cure. Flu vaccine. Getting an annual flu vaccine significantly reduces your risk of contracting the flu. Hand hygiene. Regularly washing your hands with soap and water can help prevent the spread of the virus. Cough etiquette. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when you cough or sneeze. Avoid close contact. Try to stay away from sick individuals to reduce the chances of exposure. Treating the flu. So, what should you do if you do catch the flu? Let's talk about treatment options. Rest and hydration. Give your body the rest it needs and stay hydrated to aid recovery. Over-the-counter medications. Pain relievers, fever reducers, and decongestants can help manage symptoms. Antiviral medications. In some cases, your doctor might prescribe antiviral meds to shorten the duration and severity of the flu. When to seek medical help. It's important to know when to seek medical attention. Certain situations require prompt action. Difficulty breathing. If you experience severe shortness of breath, seek medical help immediately. Worsening symptoms. If your symptoms worsen after a few days, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to understanding, preventing, and treating the flu. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Stay informed, stay healthy, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, take care. Don't miss out on our other health-related videos. Check out our playlist for more tips and tricks. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare provider for accurate information and guidance tailored to your specific situation.